Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in Revit architecture. I am architect Sonu Rai from Glad Studio, and in this today video tutorial I am going to discuss with you how to bring your missing library, content library in Revit 2024. So if you are seeing here, we are in our model space, and now I am going to insert any library here. So I'm going to insert tab here, and now I'm going to load family, and I'm going to my Revit 2024 libraries English Imperial, and I'm going to click US, and you can see there is only root analysis and structural precast, and there is no any content libraries like furnitures, doors, windows, and these all are missing here. And if I'm going to my libraries and I'm going to select English also, you can see here these all are missing from here. So how to bring this? So I'm going to cancel this, and now I'm going to my Google here, and I'm going to search for Revit 2024 content library, and you can see this one is from Autodesk, and you can see the address, link address here, and you can just click Autodesk Revit 2024 content here, and you can see there is Revit 2024 content, and you can see here content packs for Revit LT 2024 can be found here. So if you are using Revit LT, you will just click here, and now you can see here Revit 2024 content packs. So I'm coming here, you can see there are different content libraries for different language, and this one is for Brazilian and Portuguese, Chinese. So I am looking for my English, so I am going to my generic content, and I will just look for my English content here, Japanese, Korean, Spanish, and you can see here US English content V1 for Revit 2024. This one is Imperial and metric both. So I'm going to download this, and you can see the file size here, this is 1.9. so now GB. I'm going to install this product, and you can see it's the RPT cp.exe. So I'm going to double click onto this, and now it is getting extracted, and we'll see the progress here. And now you can see it is preparing for installation Revit content libraries. I'm going to click on install, we'll wait for downloading. So you can see install is complete, and Autodesk US English content for Revit 2024 is installed successfully. I'm going to finish this, and we'll see in our library. So I'm going to insert load family, and I'm going to English Imperial US, and you can see all the libraries is there. So this was the tutorial. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.